Product type: shampoo. Item package dimensions: 4.597 cm L x 6.197 cm W x 13.792 cm H. Item package weight: 0.589 kilograms. Country of origin: United States. Kerastase, resistance Bain Force Architecte Reconstructing Shampoo ounce tan. The Bain Force Architecte is a repairing reconstructing shampoo, designed for weakened and damaged hair. Its combination of Vita-Ciment and Sève de Résurrection rebuilds and strengthens the hair fiber from within, for active reconstruction and revitalization. Shiny and smooth. Hair is soft, shiny, smoother and stronger. Kerastase Resistance Bain Force Architecte 250 ml is a shampoo from L'Oréal for weak, brittle or very damaged hair and split ends. Use as an everyday shampoo to strengthen and reconstruct hair, and the result will be softer, smoother, stronger hair that is revitalized. Kerastase Resistance Bain Force Architecte contains Complexe Ciment-Cylane, which is a combination of intra-Cylane, Ceramide R and Pro-Keratin to condition and strengthen your hair. Top reviews from the United States. Super Moisturizer. My hair's naturally curly and bleached, and it became butter after using this shampoo. Super moisturized. Highly recommend.